From the Moscow cannon accident to the stupid marriage proposal idea. These are the most angry and stupid moments caught on camera. Be safe.
Biliyordun değil mi orada? Dayı nereye bak?
Gel kaldıralım abi.
Dur. Bir saniye.
Ну как ты, зачем вот это?
Слышь, зачем?
Holy fuck!
Holy shit. Oh my goodness.
From a bar in some little town outside of Prince Rupert. Said, I'm okay. And the first thing he said was, God, I wish you'd been with me. And in his and my relationship, natural for him to say, because I wish I'd been with him too.
And I guess I am. There's just something about imagining someone opening the door to their neighbor, handing them a car cover for their yellow Mercedes, and explaining, cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years, it's never gonna stop, but I went to the store and I bought you some real glass and this car cover. I use it every time you park.
Shit,
It's just
what
a
was
lot.
that? That was a car that just
I
crashed
also
right by
recognize
us.
that this is
They
compassionate,
crashed? Yes.
arguably communitarian behavior from the cat allies.
Oh my.
And that's being neighborly.
We also had another Rose situation.
Maybe.
What? I got you on fucking video. You're on fucking video.
Good.
You're on fucking turn the car off. Turn the fucking car off. Turn the car off. Yo, call the cops. Yo, turn the car off. Turn the car off. Turn the fucking car off. Call the cops, bro.
Go.
Right, good.
I've been the only other album from them that I would like love to own physically is their self-titled.
Yeah. Careful.
Current loop video is now locked.
You gotta get it because my camera's broken.
Jacob, they're gonna crash into each other.
I'll call the cops. Don't worry, get his plate. Can you get his plate number?
I don't even know where we are.
They'll give my location.
Oh, they hit each other. They just hit each other.
Pull over.
They're hitting each other.
Hey, there's these two cars that just hit each other right now.
They're road raging.
They're road raging. They just hit the white Nissan.
Fuck is wrong with you? She got a gun. She got a gun. Get in the car. She got a gun. She got a gun. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. She got a gun. I have my kid. Give her my number. I have a video.
Could you tell me where you're at? I'm showing you at White Floor.
I would make this
Listen to what you're saying
out of
can't
this.
possibly get out of this.
What the fuck, dude? Are you fucking serious?
Thousands of dollars. Okay. Let me show you.
Yes! Yes! Instant fucking karma! Instant fucking karma!
Oh my god, Ben, actually, I know a really easy way that we can fix this. Since you still owe me like